Rama?
That's all.
Okay.
We are making cat cake. So baking powder, baking soda and corn flour.
No corn flour. Maida.
Maida, okay, maida. What's that?
That is baking soda.
What?
Baking soda. Cooking soda.
Baking powder.
Baking powder I'll put now. Baking soda.
Okay.
Everything is in. Are we ready?
Yes.
Mommy will have tea.
No. Chintu, you want to have tea?
You want to have tea?
No.
No.
We don't have time to drink.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hey,
Fighting.
Cap.
It's so good
Take
to
the
see
cap
you
off.
after such a long
Take the cap.
time.
I've told you, no?
Your hairstyle is good. Who did it to you? Your hairstyle is very good. Can you also make my hairstyle like that?
Yeah. Mine's already like that.
No, but yours
Who
looks
cut your
better.
hair, Chintu?
What are you doing?
We are baking cake.
You're not baking cake. Go and help them.
You are not doing anything.
I'm baking cake. So
You have to pound the dry fruits.
means
Take this and keep it on the dining table. I'll give you some dry fruit. It will get a little translucent. Transparent type.
it's yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
You said brown. Will it be brown or translucent?
It'll become brown.
Okay.
Then it cannot be translucent.
Yeah.
It will be like glass type, no?
He's eating one boiled egg.
Egg without salt, without.
So what is that?
This grated carrot, which you grated.
Yeah. I did it. Carrots.
Little more.
Yeah. I think so. Not
No, I'll put dry fruits.
dry fruits. What are the dry fruits?
We have almonds, pista,
And
black raisins.
then
That's it. We're gonna just give a final stir nicely. For that, it is mixed well. Oh, one more ingredient which we
Olive
have
oil.
missed. Now, olive oil I've already put. I am going to add a little cardamom. No, this is cinnamon powder.
cinnamon.
Just to enhance it. Just to give the sweetness. Okay, now we'll pour it. So I have already greased the tin.
What is this? What is in that?
This is the butter paper so that the cake comes out easily after baking.
Butter paper.
Yeah, butter
Then
paper. And then I have just greased it with olive oil.
olive oil.
Yeah. You can grease it with butter too.
Butter?
Yeah.
Only butter.
Yeah, butter also if you don't want to use oil.
So we are pouring the batter. Tell me.
You're going to tap it twice so that all the air bubbles escape. Ask Kama. Okay.
With icing or without icing?
Icing.
Icing. You?
I think.
You? You?
What me?
Cake with icing or without icing?
Ask the question correctly. Is that the way
Half with, half without. I want. You asked, I told.
So, the majority is with icing.
I asked the difference. What do you mean majority? So you will give me whatever you want, not what I want.
Tell him what is icing.
So we have the cake batter in the microwave oven. We're going to set it for 20 minutes. Okay. And if required, we'll increase it later. Start.
What's the temperature?
Click on start. It's at 170 degrees.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
Tell them.
He used to keep cap like that. That's why no nourishment to the hair, so no hair.
Who?
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan still has hair.
He doesn't. That is all hair weave and hair weave, hair.
You know from where they'll take the hair? From your hands, legs, they'll take out that hair and then. You want to have something.
Take out your cap. No.
Chintu, do you like going to school or online classes?
Online class is the best.
But I saw his video on online class.
Why? Give me 5 reasons. Online classes are the best.
Online classes are the best because
అది అదొక ఆన్సర్ బికాస్ నేను కూడా ఇట్లానే రాసాం ఆన్సర్ రాకపోతే 1 లైన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది ఒక్కొక్క వర్డ్ కి ఇంత గ్యాప్ పెడితే 2 లైన్స్ అయిపోయింది
because you can do it from your own. First reason.
if okay.
You will not get scoldings from your teachers.
Why?
They can scold you online also.
Wait.
Not get scoldings from your teacher for not wearing uniform, for not combing your hairs, for not sitting properly.
No, tell me one thing. How do you go to school without uniform?
No, now
Who said?
in the online class, no. Down we can wear anything.
Down means what is down?
Here,
Floor.
this one.
What
can wear
This one,
Bottom.
yeah.
Ah.
I can wear any shorts, any pants, anything
Underwear.
what I want.
Or towel. Or without towel.
Or nothing.
Or nothing.
We
Ah,
had the habit anyway.
we can sit like that. No one, no, they cannot see. No, they
Suppose they ask you to stand up.
if they ask us to stand up, if the camera is like this, we'll do it like this. If you don't do homework or if you don't come to class, you can just tell, ma'am, I had connectivity problem. Ma'am, I am having connectivity problem. And it is closed.
And no power at home.
Yeah. Yeah.
No power, no internet.
Yeah. No power, no internet for the laptop. No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
That's all.
And last is there.
Only
The
10
5 minutes video is all about trying to open the box.
He'll take knife to open that. So he's like gadget type. He likes. No, I thought he liked it.
He thought
So he
he's
was
going to
waiting to see the
open up
JBL show.
everything.
He just showed for 10 seconds like this. So this is JBL headset. Oh, okay. Okay, thanks for watching.
So the cake is done. Like a
Big fat muffin. Here, please.
what is
Just
this?
cool.
What is this?
It is a cake stand.
Oh.
Krishna Mama wanted to bake once, and for him to bake once, he got so many things.
Can you give me one?
Well, sure only, no?
Give it.